Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards, Aries. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you are interested in a personal reading, Aries, you can contact my good friend. She is doing personal reading in Fever. So I'll be sharing her link in the description, Aries. And if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle energy, guys. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Knight of Suns, the Moon in reverse, and Nine of Stars. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone having a lot of dreams and plans for your future. You are planning something, you are making efforts towards those dreams and goals. Maybe you need to what to say you need to see things with a practical eye, maybe whether the efforts you are making are enough to achieve those dreams. And maybe there are some things unexpected coming your way. There may be some circumstances influencing you to make choices towards these dreams or pushing you towards those dreams. It may be good, positive changes. It may give you happiness because it is taking you towards your goals and dreams. But you should always have your uh, practical vision, whatever choices you make. Think clearly before stepping into something new, or some important choices in your life today, maybe in your career, or it may be even in this relationship. If you are making some important decisions for yourself, you must think within yourself whether it is the right thing or whether it will work well for you. Because I see that maybe you may be dreaming about your future with this person. You may feel really confident, feel really inspired, and you may feel that this relationship may work, and you may make some choices for yourself and this person. But for some of you, things may change. Maybe there are certain things you do not know or you do not understand about them. Maybe this person has something more to tell you. Maybe they are not revealing that. And whatever they are telling you, you are deciding based on that. And you are someone dedicated, you are honest person. But this person may be someone who is not so honest like you and who cannot be trusted like you. So you need to be really careful. So they are hiding something, guys. That is what I feel. Maybe they are not telling you something which is important, and you may have huge plans for your future. You may be dreaming, but these plans and dreams, if you want it to come true, you must see the truth today. Try to understand them, because it will lead you into a difficult situation if you are just uh, what to say making decisions based on your dreams. It may not work well because with these cards, it looks like this person is afraid of commitment, guys. So you need to be really careful, Aries. They are not committed like you, they are not devoted like you. That may be the reason we have these cards. So for your relationship, we have one more card. It's Alchemist of Spheres in reverse. So maybe they are not, what to say, determined enough. They have not made up their mind. That may be the reason. Maybe they have not come to that conclusion of committing to you. That may be the reason they are not deciding anything. So maybe if you love this person truly, you can give them more time and see where this connection is going, guys, Aries. So for your career circumstances, we picked one card. We will see what it is. And it is Two of Spheres in reverse. So with this card, maybe you are getting an important communication today in your work, something telling you about some important financial deals or agreements. For most of you, it may be something good, but for some of you, it may be something negative, guys, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Hello, hello, hello. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card for you all. So before we see this card, I will keep the second card. Snow White, purity. So with this card, it just means that you are a very kind and compassionate soul, and maybe your circumstances, maybe you have seen a lot of struggles, a lot of stress, and people have rejected you, and there were a lot of jealousy or envy towards you. Whatever toxic emotions or toxic reactions were shown to you, you are someone pure of heart and you are good to everyone. You never show anything bad to anyone, and you do not react in a bad way. You are a person who is a pure soul, a pure heart. Or maybe there is someone like that, and this person is going through a lot of trials, lot of difficulties, but it may be quite painful to go through this circumstance right now for you or for this person you have in your life. But you need to understand that you are going to be triumphant and successful, and goodness will always be rewarded, kindness will always succeed. So you are a person who is kind, compassionate, never showing any negative emotions towards people, never reacting in a bad way, and you are surviving great tests today. So you are going through a lot. So these experiences are giving you a lot of knowledge, making you mature and making you ripe with that divine knowledge. That is the reason you have these experiences, and these experiences are nothing compared to the depth of your good soul. So, whatever may come, it's not going to change you for what you are, for that pure hearted person you are. So, that is the energy here, guys, with this card. So you can be happy for that. You can tread on your life path, thinking of yourself, appreciating the good qualities that you have, and being courageous and being strong and determined to walk on this path of life with honesty and with compassion and staying strong in your path. So that is the energy here with this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we will see what is the card from nothing to everything. So with this card, for those who chose this card, maybe this oracle card is telling you to let go of that attachment you have over something, maybe over a person, maybe this person you love, some kind of an obsession, some kind of an attachment over your expectations or your dreams, maybe in your career. Maybe you want your dream job and you have certain expectations and you are working towards that. But today, maybe something much better than your dreams is waiting to unfold today. All you need to do is just let go of this expectation. And we need to surrender that story or fantasy we have in our mind, which we go through very often in our mind, because reality is knocking our doors and it is waiting to unfold, and it will be the best thing that can happen for us when universe is guiding those opportunities or the love of our life towards us. So maybe we are obsessed over this person we have with us right now. So our obsession is the reason for something better not unfolding in our life. So when we give up this attachment and when we give up that expectation, we can stop dreaming but start living that dream today. So that is in our hands, guys. So you need to give up all fear, give up fear in this process. Maybe there may be some changes happening, and you need to embrace these changes without expectations. Trust in yourself, trust in that divine spirit in you, and you will see that your fantasy is leading you towards fulfillment. Your all your dreams and plans, whatever you had, if you give up that expectation, it is going to manifest into reality, into your reality, and it is waiting to manifest, and you are pushing it away because of those expectations and attachment. So you need to give up that. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.